Greetings and welcome once again. My name is John Gabriel, and I'll be talking about Book 5, and in particular, proportion, ratio, and number. Now, Book 5 is the foundation for all the arithmetic operations, long before you got number. Okay, so number only comes in Book 7. And this article, which was written quite a long time ago, talks about, in fact, in 2021, it asks the question, is the ratio C colon 2R the same as the fraction C over 2R? Now, the quick answer to that is they're not the same, because to become a number from this ratio, from the measure of this ratio, we need a number here and a number here. Problem is you can't get a number here or here, okay? So now, why is this so important, and what is one of the secrets that has been hidden for a long time from even mainstream Greek academics who are, for all intents and purposes, just as stupid as their Western counterparts where they actually graduated? So I'm talking about the idiots like Michalis Lambros, that administrator of Mathematica GR, etc. Those are all moronic fools. So did you know that one word is mentioned in definition 3 of Book 5, and that word says something about common divisors, but in Greek the word is pηλικότητά, which means, there's no literal English word, but it means quotient-ness, like tiredness, like emptiness. Okay, so tita at the end of the word just adds the ness in Greek. So what it says is ratio is two homogeneous magnitudes, and whether or not the magnitudes have quotientness or not. In other words, whether they can be counted. So in Book 5, there's nothing about counting directly in terms of number, only measuring and the relation ratios have to each other. So for example, you could say this blue line is to this blue line as this red line is to this red line. Okay. Now, if you go to this Greek site, which I'll place a link to in the detail section, and you search for the word πηλικότητά there, and you search for it, it occurs only once in Book 5. That says στοιχεία Ευκλήδου ε βιβλίων 5 όροι 18. Okay, so that means there are 18 definitions, right? And πηλικότητά only appears there, and it's never discussed again anywhere else. However, it does surface once again in Book 7, okay, in the first definition of Book 7. I don't know why my eye hurts so much now. Oh my God, it's like somebody's poking my left eye with a hot iron. Okay. I've got to end off here. All I wanted to say is that I've also written an extensive commentary on Book 5, and I'll place a link to that also in the details section. Sorry, I have to go. Goodbye.